Hi Dylan, I'm looking at your assignment that you sent in for the percentiles, and there's a couple of problems. I just wanted to make you a little video to explain. I noticed that for each of the calculations that you're doing the same thing, which is when you're working out the position, that's what this calculation is. What you're actually working out here is the position of the 20th percentile, which is actually not what you're being asked to do here anyway, but I'll get back to that in a minute. So the 6.2 tells you that if you write your numbers in order, that you want to start with the number that's in the 6th position, and then you want to, and so you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 38 is right. So if you were finding P20, you would have 38, and then you would add decimal 2. That's what that decimal 2 is there for, of the difference between the 6th and the 7th term, so that would be the 42 minus 38, which you had correct, okay? I noticed that in each of your calculations you're using a 0.5 here, and that may be the same as the example that you were given, but that's not how it works. It was just that that would happen to be 0.5 that they got. So in this case, you would have 4 times 0.2, which was 0.8, and so the percentile value would be 38.8. Now, that's actually not what you're being asked to find here. For question 2 and also question 3b, it's asking you to find the percentile rank if you had a score of 20, okay? So they're not telling you it's P20. They're not telling you it's the 20th percentile. They're asking you what percentile is it if you got 20 and you were looking at this list of these 30 numbers, all right? And so what you have to do there is, there's an easy way and a hard way. The easy way would be to say, well, there's 30 numbers and 20 would be in between the first and the second values, and so you know that the percentile is going to be very low, and 20 is actually 0.4 of the way, so 20 is in the position 1.4 of your list of numbers here. And so then you would be able to use that information to work your way backwards in the PX formula, because 1.4 in your position formula, 1.4 would be equal to n plus 1, which is 31, over 100 times x, which is your percentile value. And so if you now do 1.4 and then bring this 100 over and multiply and then divide by 31, you'll get 140 over 31 equals x, and that will give you the percentile that you're looking for, okay? So you need to go back and try those questions again, unfortunately, and please be reminded that because this assignment is so late in coming in, that it's worth a maximum of 50% of the original mark, okay?